Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is NAND, NOR and NOT gates programming in FX series and Q series of Mitsubishi PLC. And this is a lecture number 7, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. First one is NAND gate. You know about the AND gate. This is a symbol of AND gate. If this symbol has this bubble circle, it will convert to NAND gate. Okay, A dot B is the AND gate symbol, and this bar show this is a NAND gate. And you can see here is the for condition of the NAND gate, and every output is opposite of the AND gate. Okay, if you know 0 0 equal to 0 in AND gate, but in this case it is 1. Okay, it's the opposite of AND gate. And in same hand, NOT gate is the opposite of OR gate, and this is the symbol of the OR gate, and when this circle and this bubble will show this is a NOT gate, and this is the same are the value of the OR gate. If we do opposite, it will make NOT gate. Okay, and last one is NOT gate. Is a very simple, only one input and only one output. If input 0, then output will be 1. If input is 1, then output will be 0. Okay, now let's come on the software. I will tell you how to make the function. Create your project, simple project, FX CPU, FX series, and choose 3G FX3GC. These are our PLC type and ladder diagram. Press OK and save. No, and creating a new project, and now you take one input. It's X01, and we will show it. Its comment is the A input. Okay, and you know in AND gate both are in series, both input will be in series, so I am taking other input in series because I want to make AND gate. X02, and it is our B input, and Y01 is our output, and this is called C. Okay, and insert a row, and now we will make this is the AND gate. Okay, and now I will take 2 input for OR gate, same inputs X01 and Y002 for output of OR gate, and press T, and now take the second input B X02 in. Okay, as we know, in if 2 input in series, it will be AND gate. If both input are in parallel to each other, then it will be OR gate. And take your last one input like X01 and one output like Y03, and you can see say this is a E. Okay, and I will show my comments. You can see A and B, C, A and B and D, A and E. Okay, now compile this program. Okay, and simulate the program. Okay, this is the run mode. If I will stop it, you can see the light off, and while in run mode, this is the light on. Okay, and please come on the pictures of NAND gate. You can see about NAND gate. In all case it will give 1. Only one case it will give 0 on when both input 1 1. Okay, so only you can see only in one condition it will be 0. Okay, अब now see this is the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So I will make this one NAND gate. So I will stop the simulator, and you can see his here INV. This is our edit point. INV inverse. This is our inverse command. Okay, this inverse command will be change over this status. Okay, this is our AND gate, and when I add this inverse, so it will make NAND gate. So in same in hand I will add here inverse, and you can see this is a NOT gate. And same here for NOT gate, I will add inverse. Okay, now compile the program, and now simulate on the simulation. Okay, as we know, in NAND gate just both will be 1, then output will be 0, otherwise it will on. Okay, press the change, modify the value. If I on the input, then output will be on, but both input on, then output will be 0. Okay, this is our NAND gate. And in same case you can see here about NOT gate. In NOT gate, just one case both will be 0, then output will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. So check it, both are 1, then output will be 0. If one is on, when both will be 0, then it will be 1. And now it is 1. Okay, this is our NOT gate. And last one is NOT gate, and you can see NOT gate. If it is 0, then output will be 1. If our input is 1, then output will be 0. Okay, this is our 3 function: NAND gate, NOT gate, and NOT gate. Okay, if you have any field problem and any question, you can raise a question in comment box. Okay, bye.